Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube. And welcome back to William in Japan. We are back in Nikko. Right, for the time to enjoy the autumn colors. Now, it's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but the sun is setting pretty quick. So enough jibber jabber, let's get on with it. Right, folks, welcome back. We are now just entering the second Iroha, the second Iroha hill climb. For those older viewers on this channel will know we came here once on my super sport while I am on a business trip. So what's so special about this road? So, Iroha once was a very small mountain climb route, and it was only single laned, which is the first Iroha. And then they opened up the second Iroha, which the one we are riding right now. It was a toll road a while back, but then they decided we're going to open it up for everyone. So the second, which includes 22 hairpins, we're on our second, will be used for going up the hill, and the first Iroha will be used for descending. So as you know, it is the best time for enjoying autumn colors. We have a lot of traffic, but hopefully we can get through them pretty soon and enjoy our ride. I also did mention this in my past video. This road might be the most technical road you can get to ride fast around the Kanto area. That is because, as I mentioned, it is a 22 consecutive hairpin road. Well, also, you actually have to climb around 500 meters in less than 7 kilometers. So it's not steep, but combining those hairpins and this hill climb is definitely not easy for novice riders to do this climb very quickly, especially with this traffic situation. Yes, there are buses running through here because this is a very popular vacation resort. On the end of this ride, we will arrive at Lake Chuzenji, which is a large lake up in the mountains, very suitable for summer water activities. It's nice and chill. The water is calm. It's definitely a great place to enjoy your summer. Also, if you go even deeper into the mountains past Lake Chuzenji, you arrive at Oku Nikko, which if you directly translate that is the further away Nikko area, or the deep Nikko area, basically deeper in the mountains. There is a large hot spring hotels that really gathers around up on the mountains, and again, it is a great place to enjoy winter. Of course, you can enjoy hot springs in summer as well, but I always prefer it when the weather is a bit chiller. So Iroha itself, oh look at that maple tree, gorgeous. Okay, I digress. Where was I? Yes. So Iroha itself was again depicted in the famous Initial D series. So lots of street racers, back in the old days of course, love to run about on this road. We still can see quite some brake marks on the pavement today as well. So definitely people are still having a lot of fun here. Definitely. So are we. So the super courses were around 15 degrees right now. So it definitely didn't feel weird or slippery. They hold on very well in these tight turns. The only problem is I already did over 6,000 kilometers on them. Tread, of course, is still pretty deep, so we still can use them for quite some time, but since I do a lot of commuting, it's kind of flattening out the tire structure, not tire structure. How do you call it? Again, English is falling away from me. So the tire basically isn't as sharp. It's kind of rounded out, squared off, which kind of hinders the feeling when you're in corners, but it's not that bad. It's still definitely workable. So we're on the 15th hairpin, 7 more to go. But before we reach the last 7, I think we'll first reach Meiji Daira, my apologies, Meiji Daira, which is a plane, a really little plane up on the mountains, and there is a cable car that lifts you up onto the hill, mountaintop around this area. So of course, when we're doing these kind of riding, always keep it at around 6/10, so we still have enough time and enough control of our bike to take care of emergencies. Never do 10/10s on these guys. We're not on the track. You hit the guardrail, you're off a cliff, you're a dead man. Definitely ride a bit with caution, and of course always watch out for these vertical slots they cut into the pavement, which kind of always ruins the front end feel when you're going over them. Okay, turn number 19, we're almost there. Turn number 20, 2 more left, and I think it will bring us to Meiji Daira. Wow, look at that, guys. What a great view. So if you ever have the chance to get riding in Japan, especially around Tokyo and in the Kanto area, put this on your short list. This road is one of the most scenic ones you can have, and you can enjoy good food, good hot springs, good ryokans, those hot spring traditional hotels. It's all here. And by the way, I forgot to mention, down the mountain where we already passed, it is the tomb and the family temple of Tokugawa Ieyasu. If you know the name, good for you. It is the first shogun of the Edo Bakufu, which is the last Bakufu, if you don't know. And here we are at Meiji Daira. Quick ride, of course, but lots of fun. And look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that colors. You don't get this other than autumn. Right? It has been William. It's actually going to be a very mini series because I have 2 more roads I want to show you guys. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.